back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up to your Ace Crypto account. First of all, find and open Ace application on your device. Now, you can click on Get Started button, or you can click on Sign In button and then click on Create Account button here. After clicking on it, you need to set a 4-digit PIN here. After that, click on Next button. Now, if you click on Enable, you will get the notifications from this application. After that, choose the wallets to add. And click on Next button. Now, the guest account has been created. After that, you need to create a username and password for this account. After that, click on Next and type in your password on this field here. You need to type your password again on this field. After that, click on Continue button. Now, you need to agree these terms and conditions. After clicking on all the 4 checkboxes, you need to click on Confirm button here. Now, you can view your account information by clicking on this drop-down menu. After that, click on Create button. So, that is how you can create Ace Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.